Are you ready for spring? I know I am. What? Yes, you heard right. So, Pink Zebra is getting ready to move on to spring. So that means bye bye winter catalog, and we are getting ready to get our new spring samples and new scents, and also, of course, the scents that you like. They will also come back. Well, hopefully, not all of them come back, but we're gonna get new ones. We're gonna have new surprises, and I'm excited. I think everybody's excited. If you find yourself buying a lot of Pink Zebra items, I already contacted some of you. You might be interested in joining and get the nice discount and all the perks that we Pink Zebra consultants get. Not to mention a great team, a great company, and it's something you might want to consider to do on the side. It's nice to get a little extra every month, and I don't know, it's up to you what you want to. I have already a job and I love my job. I'm a teacher, and Pink Zebra is something I have loved to use. I love in my house, because for me it's very important that where I am, where I work, it's important how it looks and how it smells. For me, that's very important. And I found myself buying Pink Zebra. Well, first I was trying other companies, and I finally found the one, which is Pink Zebra, that I love and my family loves as well. And it's not toxic, and it's just amazing. So you can blend, you can create your own recipes. The sky's the limit. And if you want to add a little bit more of certain scent, or you want to tame it a little bit, I mean, you can do all of that with Pink Zebra. So Pink Zebra was perfect for me. So I get a lot of discounts because, I mean, due to I buy a lot of Pink Zebra, so the discount, it has really helped me a lot. And I get a lot of perks, like I said, when you join the company. And also you share with other people that feel the same way about you, and you make a little bit of extra money, or you can make a lot if you don't have a job, or you know you're not interested in getting one of those 9 to 5 jobs, or in that case like me, 7 to, well, a teacher never ends. It's like nonstop. So okay, that's about 7:30 to 3:30, but you're still working. So if you're not interested in one of those jobs, you can also do Pink Zebra full time. That's up to you. I mean, people are different, right? Like I said, I love my job, and for me, Pink Zebra was perfect. It doesn't take much of my time. I mean, I used to have another business before too. I was doing a boutique, and that took a lot of energy and a lot of my time. So I really had to take a break on that because it was very time consuming and it took a lot of my energy out. But that's another story. Anyways, if you want to sign up for the rally as a guest, you can do it. You can contact me to get more information, or with another Pink Zebra consultant. That's okay. Make sure you check with your Pink Zebra consultant so you can sign up and you get more information about Pink Zebra, the company. If you want to join, of course, there's not a commitment. Like if you go to the route, it's gonna be virtual, or you can, if you have a location nearby, you can go too. That's up to you. But um, if you're interested, I really suggest that you go, or virtually too. I mean, whatever you want. But yeah, check with your consultant and check it out. I think the last day to register is, no, it is January 7th. I got an email about that because they switched the dates. So let me know if you're interested. My email is here, and also you can find me through Facebook Messenger. Okay, I hope you have a blessed evening. I've been doing a lot today, so I'm a little bit messy right now, but I hope you guys have a blessed evening. Bye, guys.